Is your square looking like a rainbow? Let me tell you, the struggle is real. A lot of people are fighting this battle. So today I'm gonna tell you when and why this happens, and I'm gonna show you how to fix it. And I'm gonna show you a really cool tool that you can make yourself. And as always, you can change the subtitles and you can change the speed of this video by clicking the settings below. To the left, we have a square as it's supposed to look like. And on the right, we have the rainbow. So what happened here? Well, in this case, I have been holding my yarn too tight when making the foundation chain. And as I worked my way up, I started to relax my grip, making my stitches looser. So how do I fix it? Well, tension is something you have to practice. But there's a few things to consider. Make sure your foundation chain is not super tight. Alternatively, you could use 2 different hook sizes. For example, a bigger hook for the foundation chain to make sure it's not too tight, and a smaller hook for the rest of the piece. Make a gauge swatch. If you don't know what this is, you can watch lesson 1, how to get started. You could use a tension regulator. You put your regulator on your index finger, pull the yarn through one of the windows, and it will regulate your tension for you. This way, you have the same tension throughout the entire project. If you would like to make your own regulator, you can find a link below. Alright guys, that was all for today. If you have any questions, just write me a comment in the comment section below and join the Hobby community by subscribing to our channel. We'd love to see you there. Bye!